Hi, I'm Mina Starks, an engineer on the Azure Quantum Development Kit, or QDK. Let's take a quick tour of what makes the QDK a great platform for learning and exploring quantum computing. Q# is a programming language specifically designed for quantum computing. It combines classical elements like for loops and function calls with quantum-specific constructs. This mix of classical and quantum features allows you to naturally express adaptive algorithms and lets you reason about the whole program without context switching. Once your Q# code is ready, you can test it locally with our efficient quantum simulator, which helps you iterate quickly before running on actual quantum hardware. There are also sample programs like Grover's search and Shor's algorithm to help you get started. Our debugger is a powerful tool that lets you step through your code line by line, inspect the quantum state, and view an evolving circuit diagram so you can debug even complex algorithms. When you're ready to run on real quantum hardware, you can submit your Q# code directly from VS Code to Azure Quantum, where you can choose your hardware and download results when the job is complete. For larger, more complex algorithms, resource estimation helps you understand the physical resources needed to run them, so you can optimize and make trade-offs between resource use and runtime. And for Python fans, the QDK includes a Q# library, letting you run Q# code from Jupyter notebooks and combine it seamlessly with Python. The easiest way to try out the QDK is by installing the VS Code extension, or jumping right into the Q# playground to experiment with sample programs. Happy quantum coding!